Relationships are not about avoiding problems. It's about learning how to solve them together. In Kuwait, love and marriage are built on strong foundations, family, tradition, and commitment. But foundations crack under stress, dull routine, and unspoken resentment. I've spent decades helping couples just like you, high achievers, balancing ambition and love, struggling with trust, communication, and connection. The reality is that love erodes when communication breaks down and connection is lost. If your relationship feels stuck, strained, or distant, don't wait for the breaking point. I invite you to a private one-on-one or couple session. Let's rebuild, reconnect, and restore what really matters.